stocks continue to rise, but we are getting some weakness starting to break through, led by the NASDAQ, down 0.75%, but the S&P is up 0.2%. The Dow is up 1.2% and the Russell is up 1.71%. This is the definition of sector rotation, with technology lower as we see the market cap weighted indexes most affected by weakness in the top tech names. The top 5 tech names represent 29% of the S&P and 36% of the NASDAQ, and therein lies your sector rotation. The Japanese tertiary index was lower than expected and lower than the last read. Same applies to the ZEW economic indices in Germany and the wider EU. Retail sales in the US were flat on the headline figure, but stronger ex autos, it's the biggest rise in 3 months, and stronger ex gas and autos. So overall, we'll call that a stronger US retail sales number. We're seeing a little bit of a rise again in the front end in yields, but we're seeing a drop in the 10-year, a drop in the 30-year, moving that 2s10s yield curve from -21 back lower to -26. Crude oil is falling for the 3rd straight session, and this is the largest drop of those 3 sessions so far, down right now by 1.5%, and it's testing the 50-day moving average. Copper's also lower by 1.44%, with gold, silver, and the dollar higher, and Bitcoin lower by over 1%. Fed speak ahead. Fed Governor Adriana Kugler speaking tomorrow. We get Richmond Fed President Thomas Barkin and Fed Governor Christopher Waller. There's also a 20-year bond auction taking place today in the U.S. Now, earnings today after the close, 6 companies reporting with a market cap of over $1 billion. They are Omnicom Group, JB Hunt, the huge trucker, and Interactive Brokers. Before the market opens tomorrow, 10 companies with market caps of over $1 billion or more, including ASML Holdings, that's a very big name, Johnson & Johnson, Elevance Health, and Prologis. Data tonight, Reuters Tankan Index in Japan. Tomorrow, UK and EU inflation data, US building permits, housing starts, industrial production, capacity utilization, and later in the day, the Fed's Beige Book.